I also want to ask you, what is the NSUI now saying, and give us a sense of what the university now can do, because a notice, we understand, by the proctor's office has been issued to the students' body, to the NSUI. But what next, given that the proctor's office has also said that, this has happened in the past as well?
There are two versions, obviously. The DUSU office, or the DUSU president, Ronak Khatri, in this particular case, who is NSUI member, he is saying that he was the one who had invited Rahul Gandhi, the leader of opposition, and as DUSU president, he has the right to invite anybody as guest to his own office. So that would not require any prior permission from the administration, DU administration. But the DU administration has a completely different point of view about this, because this has led to a situation where, because of the VVIP security arrangements they the movement of the students around the DUSU office was restricted. That has egged the university administration. They are also going to issue notice to the concerned students, so could be DUSU president as well, the NSUI members who are in question right now for having an altercation with the students and AVVP members, or for that matter restricting the movement of the DUSU secretary, who happens to be member of the rival AVVP, which is a Sangha Parivar student body. So clearly, on one side, NSUI is defending its act, the DUSU president is defending its act of inviting Rahul Gandhi to the campus. The university administration seems to be very clear. They are going to issue notice to the concerned people. So the notices could be issued to DUSU president as well as the other NSUI members who could be identified through CCTV cameras or other methods and mediums, and ask as to why this particular situation had unfolded within the university campus. Because remember, it's again ultimately the university campus, and everything within that premises falls under the university administration as well. So the questions can certainly be asked, and the notice can be certainly issued. Back to you.
That's right. The proctor's office has said that this is the second time this was done. Meanwhile, the BJP here is, going after the Congress and after Rahul Gandhi, essentially for this unannounced visit, isn't it, Amit? All right, we'll try and go back to Amit, but the BJP essentially has taken a jibe, saying that Gandhi turned up at the campus and turned it into a circus for a surprise photo opportunity. That's what is being said by the Bharatiya Janata Party. Pictures on your screen are from yesterday, when that visit took place. BJP's IT cell head Amit Malviya said the visit threw the campus into chaos. The proctor's office has also said something similar, and the university said that this was unauthorized. Why weren't the required permissions taken? Amit Malviya also sharing a video clip of a woman angrily questioning the Congress leader. All of this is being done at a time when Rahul Gandhi, the leader of the opposition, was at the Delhi University campus.
आपने क्या सोचकर पहलगाम अटैक के ऊपर मिनिस्ट्री से सवाल किया? Is it a time to question the security? आपने क्या सोचकर पहलगाम अटैक के ऊपर मिनिस्ट्री से सवाल किया? Is it a time to question the security? आपने क्या सोचकर पहलगाम अटैक आपने क्या सोचकर पहलगाम अटैक के ऊपर मिनिस्ट्री से सवाल किया? Is it a time to question the security? आपने क्या सोचकर पहलगाम अटैक के ऊपर मिनिस्ट्री से सवाल किया? Is it a time to question the security? आपने क्या सोचकर पहलगाम अटैक के ऊपर मिनिस्ट्री से सवाल किया? Is it a time to question the security? आपने क्या सोचकर पहलगाम अटैक के ऊपर मिनिस्ट्री से सवाल किया? Is it a time to question the security?
Going straight across to Amit for more details on that. That video also now is being shared and being commented on. Just talk to us about how one of the students, I understand, confronted the leader of the opposition. Amit?
Sneha, if you could repeat the question, please.
Amit, I was asking you about the situation that Gandhi found himself in yesterday, when one of the students questioned him, cornered him and asked questions repeatedly on what the Congress has been saying on Operation Sindoor in Pahalgam.
Right, Sneha. The altercation that we were talking about is also between the students, those belonging from the AVVP, the Sangha Parivar student body, and Congress's NSUI unit. So clearly, when Rahul Gandhi was there, it was also an opportunity for the student body of AVVP to raise the questions that their parent organizations, be it the RSS or the Bharatiya Janata Party, the political outfit, the party in power in the center, has been asking questions from Rahul Gandhi as far as the politics over Operation Sindoor is concerned. So it has trickled down to the university campus as well, where we can hear these slogans and questions being posed to Rahul Gandhi as to why he had put questions on the security forces, on Operation Sindoor, that has been, specifically asked by Rahul Gandhi in connection with External Affairs Minister S. Jaisankar's statement. But obviously the politics, when it trickles down, everybody takes line as per the political lining of their own, political party or the ideology. So the members that are raising questions, we are given to understand, are from AVVP. That's what NSUI is also saying constantly, that these were AVVP members. And this particular situation had led to further escalation or, trouble between the members of the two student body within the university campus. But certainly the BJP leaders and others from the aligned organizations had also put it across as a situation where Rahul Gandhi was directly asked questions by the students of Delhi University.